Good morning. This is Amy with the National Weather Service office in San Angelo with an update to the weather briefing this very cold Sunday morning. As you're probably aware, we had a very strong Arctic front moving through the area yesterday afternoon and evening, which has brought bitterly cold temperatures to west central Texas. This morning we're looking at starting out with the lows this morning as we wake up and start the day. We've got temperatures around 10 to 15 degrees across the big country with generally 17 to 20 degrees across central and southern parts of west central Texas. Yesterday we had a record high of 84 degrees, and by almost midnight last night we were down to 20 degrees, which is only 4 degrees above the record low for the day. So we went from the record high to almost reaching the record low, all within 24 hours. Now looking ahead to the forecast for this morning, we do have a wind chill advisory that is still in effect until about 10 a.m. With the really cold temperatures combined with the wind speeds of about 10 to 20 miles an hour from the north, we are still seeing wind chill values around 0 degrees for some areas and maybe even a little bit cooler. Now looking for the forecast for later today into tonight, we will see a little bit of warming with mostly sunny skies and maybe a few high clouds across the area. But we're still going to stay below freezing throughout the day across most of west central Texas. Now, areas along the I-10 corridor from Junction to Ozona may see temperatures climb into the mid-30s, but overall it's going to be a very cold day all day across west central Texas. And we are also looking for a cold night again, as winds will be light and skies will be mostly clear with maybe a few high clouds around. So we will see temperatures dropping again tonight into the teens across the area. Some low-lying valleys could see temperatures even colder, maybe back into the single digits. But for the most part, we're looking for temperatures ranging from about 15 to 18 degrees by Monday morning. Now we will see a slow warm-up through the week with temperatures maybe into the 60s by Wednesday, but then another weaker cold front comes through, keeping us generally with highs in the 50s and lows in the 20s and 30s through most of the week. But I'm sure everybody's wondering what we're looking ahead to the weekend and the holiday forecast for Christmas and Christmas Eve and the day after Christmas when a lot of travel takes place. Well, unfortunately, we are seeing a lot of differences in the computer models out that far. It is kind of on the edge of the range of our forecast typically, and we have different solutions coming in from the different models. However, one thing we do see is possibly a storm system moving across the area with maybe a little bit of precipitation possible, and possibly another cold front with cooler temperatures for the weekend, and that would be mostly on Christmas Day and then the day after Christmas. So this is something we are going to watch for, but at this point we have about a 20% chance of light rain for a few areas across west central Texas the night of Christmas Day. However, we will be watching this closely as the forecast could change quite a bit with a lot of model uncertainty. So stay tuned for later updates from the National Weather Service.